Edward Bernays, the father of propaganda, uphethe Michel Foucault, the creator of biopower, and they have ama-thoughts ahlanganayo, they intersect, ama-thoughts akhona, they intersect on social control and the creation of ama-identities to control abantu, yabo. So in the 1920s, in the 1930s, American women were not allowed to smoke, or they did not smoke, yabo. American women were oppressed. So obvious, in the time which these women are oppressed, like most male or most men were bebayeka ukubhema, yabo, they were quitting to smoke because besekuvela ama-health risk of smoking, yabo. So an American tobacco company ababizwa ngokuthi i-Lucky Strike saw this as an issue, yabo, ukuthi amadoda amaningi now are quitting to smoke and women do not smoke. So ibiza ubani, ibiza u-Edward Bernays ukuthi Edward uzosasiza mfethu to get ama-sales, yabo. So Edward is smart, yabo. Edward read incwadi kaMichel Foucault and understood this idea of biopower, yabo. So Edward knows ukuthi Michel Foucault talks about the creation of our identities to control abantu, yabo, the biopower. Bio means life, then power is control over life, yabo. So the government creates our identities to control abantu. So Bernays uyibonile riding, yabo. So to sell like cigarettes to women, he understood ukuthi you must not sell the product, you must not sell cigarettes, no, you must sell ama identities, you must sell ama feelings and ama emotions, yabo. So ngaboma 1920, ngaboma 1930, most women bebangabhemi vele, yabo. So and they were oppressed by the patriarchy, and I'm talking about white women, obviously, because black women were enslaved, black women were colonized, and they were forced ukuthi bayenze ezinye izinto other than ukuhlala endlini, understand? So as most of these ladies were oppressed, yabo, and not allowed to carry ama cigarettes or to smoke, yabo, like Edward Bernays links like this idea ukuthi women are not allowed to smoke with the patriarchy, yabo, claiming ukuthi like the patriarchy is forcing women not to smoke, yabo. So he goes to most of our feminists and tells them ukuthi you must smoke, yabo. He claims ukuthi a cigarette is a torch of freedom. If like a intomazana which is told not to smoke smokes, she is rebelling against this patriarchy, yabo. So Edward was able to successfully link smoking and rebelling against the patriarchy. And ngo-1930 in the Easter parade in New York, thousands and thousands of ladies bahlangana and they all smoked a cigarette. So Edward Bernays was able to successfully link women emancipation and consumerism, yabo. So that's what intersectionality is between Edward Bernays no Michel Foucault, about the creation of false identities, or not even false identities, but the creation of identities to control abantu, yabo. So even, for example, even the bands, I think selling